So today's topic is Mandal Commission case. So in this case, various issues were raised, and I will be discussing. I will be teaching you what all were the decisions made for these issues. So this case is a point of interest case on the reservation of post of BC residents in government occupations, which portray the extension and degree of Article 16 Clause 4. So the main issue was that whether the grouping depends on standing or monetary premise. The court properly held that the rank can be regularly and social class. On the off chance that it is a backward socially, it would be a BC with the end goal of Article 16(4) and the station alone cannot be muled over for the reason of idea of regressive classes. So the dominant part judges said that neither the constitution nor any law recommendations the system or technique for recognizable proof of a backward classes, nor it is a workable for the courts to set out any strategy or technique. It is left to the specialist designated to distinguish. Then on the second issue, court is all around supported and held that Article 16 Clause 4 is not a special case to Article 16 Clause 1, yet the free provision. Reservation can be made under Condition 1 based on sensible arrangement and overrule the choice of Balaji versus Province of Mysore. Now, on the third issue, the court held that the regressive classes of resident in Article 16(4) is not named same as SABCs allude to Article 15(4). Article 16(4) is a significantly more extensive degree and incorporates all other SC, STs, and all other in backward class of nationals, including SCBCs. On the fourth issue, the court properly portrayed this approach and held that the subcategorization between in backward classes and all the more in backward classes is legitimate and overruled the choice of Balaji case. It is important to do subcharacterization generally propels areas of the retrogressive classes and may take all the advantage of reservation. So for this situation, Supreme Court has properly executed this approach of understanding this article of the Constitution that the cream layer must be barred from the regressive classes. It can be best comprehended by illustration given by the court that if an individual from an assigned in a backward class turns into an individual from IAS or IPS or some other all India benefit, his status in the public eye is rising. He is never again socially hindered, and it ought not intelligent that his youngsters ought to be given advantage of reservation. The court likewise said that there are sure posts and administrations to which it may not be fitting to apply the govern of reservation. For instance, specialized post in examine and improvement association office foundation in super claim to fame in drug, building physical science and maths is a guard benefit. Pilots in Indian aircrafts, researchers and professionals in atomic and space, and so forth. The court, while giving the judgment, specified that the reservation ought not to surpass 50% and reservation can't be made in advancements. Apex Court likewise overruled the choice of Dividison versus Association of India and held that the conveyed forward decide its legitimate given that it ought not to bring about rupture of 50% run the show. So the 50% breaking point must be surpassed in the additional normal circumstances winning in far flowing states like Nagaland, Tripura and so forth. Furthermore, it requires to be made by Parliament and Council. The larger part likewise made it clear that any question with respect to can be brought just up in the Supreme Court, not in the High Court and some other council. So Supreme Court has made a strong endeavor to strike a harmony between the interest of society and instructively in backward classes and a man having a place with general classification in issues of government business, yet there was a bit unnatural birth cycle while managing this case. The court can likewise incorporate the poor segment of high stations in SEBCs. Thank you.